Need to fix control center not showing on iPhone? Then in order for you to fix this issue, let's get started with the video. So sometimes you might be in the position where you are trying to have the access of control center but you are not being able to. It also might be because the rotation is turned on. And if your phone is on rotation mode, from this side of the screen. But still, if it is not fixing the issue, then the next thing you want to try doing is go back and then move into the settings of a device. Inside settings, you need to scroll down and then you need to head over to control center right over here. Make sure that the access within apps is toggled on. Sometimes this feature might be turned off and it might be one of the reasons that you're facing this issue. So make sure to toggle on this button and then you will be good to go. Or else the next thing you can try doing is try restarting your device. Sometimes restarting your device has also fixed the issue, so you might be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.